Ahoy, Mama, you deserve this. Listen, Mama, I see you. You're juggling work, kids, and a semblance of a life. A solo cruise? That feels like a distant dream, right? But here's the truth. You deserve this. You deserve to feel the sun on your face, the wind in your hair, and the freedom of being untethered. You deserve to remember who you are outside of being mum. It's not selfish, it's essential. This trip, this is about filling your cup, Mama. You ready? I am. Anchors aweigh. Anxiety, setting sail with a calm mind. Anxiety is a sneaky beast, especially when it comes to the unknown. Solo cruising might feel daunting. What if you get lonely? What if you're awkward? What if something happens back home?
First, take time to just breathe. It's okay to feel these things. Acknowledge them, don't bury them. Pack a little piece of home, something that brings you comfort. Plan some activities in advance. A cooking class, a spa day, a shore excursion.
Remember, you're not alone in this. Cruises are full of people looking to connect. You've got this. Solo, but not alone. Finding your people and your peace on board. One of the most amazing things about cruises? The instant community. You're surrounded by people from all walks of life, all eager to embrace the adventure.
Don't be afraid to strike up conversations. The buffet line, the pool deck, the elevator, these are all opportunities for connection. Pick an activity that speaks to your soul. Love to dance? Join the salsa class? Bookworm at heart? Curl up with a good book in the library.
Remember, solo doesn't have to mean solitary. You'll be amazed by the connections you make and the peace you find within yourself. Staying connected, staying grounded, navigating ports of call. Stepping off the ship and onto new shores can be exhilarating.
Remember, staying connected to loved ones back home doesn't have to mean being glued to your phone. Set aside specific times to check in, maybe over morning coffee or before dinner. Share photos and stories of your adventures, letting them experience the journey with you.
When it comes to exploring, don't be afraid to set boundaries. If a bustling market feels overwhelming, find a quiet cafe and people watch. This trip is about filling your cup. Choose activities that nourish your soul, whether it's soaking up the culture or simply basking in the beauty of your surroundings. You're doing great, Mama. Home, safe home. Trusting the village, trusting yourself. Leaving your little humans behind is probably the hardest part. Guilt might try to creep in, whispering doubts in your ear. But remember, Mama, you've got this.
You've entrusted their care to your village, a partner, family member, or trusted friend. They've got this. And more importantly, your kids have got this.
Instead of focusing on the distance, focus on the reunion. Think of the refreshed, recharged, more present Mama you'll be when you return. Trust your heart. It will guide you back to your loved ones, stronger and more connected than ever before. The horizon is yours. Embrace the transformative power of me time. Taking a solo cruise isn't just about escaping, it's about rediscovering. It's about reclaiming your identity outside of motherhood, about reconnecting with your own needs and desires.
The world tells moms that self-care is selfish. But I'm here to tell you, Mama, that self-care is the most selfless act of love you can give yourself and your family. When you fill your own cup, you have so much more to give to others.
So go ahead, Mama, book that cruise. Rediscover your strength, your resilience, your joy. If you like this content, please be sure to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about one of your solo cruise experiences. We would love to hear from you. The horizon is waiting, and you, my dear, are ready to set sail.